Hello. For this problem, using Excel, for the distribution, it's just the mean and standard deviation. The mean was 12 years, standard deviation 2.4. If we want to find the probability that an indoor cat is between 8.4 and 11.4 years old, when you're finding it, you find each separately, and when it gives you the percent, it's the percent below. So if we do equals and start typing norm, we want to do a normal distribution. Then you put your x value. If we put 8.4, comma, the mean, which is 12, comma, standard deviation. Now notice they also want this cumulative. You just put 1 because you're using 100% or 1 under the curve, and then hit enter. So that's the percent below 8.4. Now if we do 11.4 equals norm, and then 11.4 comma the mean, comma the standard deviation, comma 1. Make sure I have everything right. It gives us this value. This is the percent below 11.4. So 0.066, that's below here. The other number is here. So if we subtract the two, it gives us what's in between them. And you can do that on Excel. You can hit equals and click the larger value minus the smaller value. Hit enter, and there's our answer, 0.3345. For the middle 20% of indoor cats, if we're doing the middle 20%, then that means, because it's a normal distribution, 100 minus 20 is 80, which means there is 40% here and 40% here. Now, if we want to find the middle 20%, that would be a value right here where 40% is below it. And so we would use equals norm, and we want the inverse one because we have the percent. The percent below, because we're finding both ends of the 20, is 40%, written as a decimal, 0.40, and then your mean and your standard deviation. So 11.39 is the value right here, 392. Now to find the value here, notice that there's 20 and 40, or 60% below this number. So you do the same thing, equals norm, and you want the inverse one because you have the percent, and it's 0.60 because it's the 40 and the 60. We want the number here, comma the mean and the standard deviation, and hit enter, and 12.608.